The world today is intimately interconnected. It's crucial that this environment has a wide range of efficient power solutions to allow growth and sustainability. Founded in 1970, Leader Electronics stays on the forefront in the design, development, and manufacturing of switch mode power supplies, power magnetics, BLDC motors, and EV charging solutions. Leader is a global service provider accommodating clients worldwide. With operations in Taiwan, China, and the Philippines, Leader's capacity exceeds 20 million units per month. Our client portfolio encompasses a wide range of industries spanning from networking power to industrial automation, consumer electronics, renewable energy, and electric vehicles. Our newest products offer safety and efficiency and energy storage solutions for EV charging systems. Leader is dedicated to providing low-carbon footprint solutions. We take great pride in the fact that our facilities meet the latest ISO standards and are strategically automated to maximize efficiency and reduce cost in order to meet the highest quality standards. Leader offers a wide range of standard or custom power supply solutions at varying power outputs that all conform to the latest energy efficiency and safety standards. In addition, we also offer OEM and JDM services to our branding clients looking for a high-quality manufacturer. Leader provides reliable power magnetic solutions such as high-frequency, linear, and three-phase transformers. Our solutions are ideal for applications in industries such as critical power, renewable energy, industrial automation, and heavy equipment systems. Leader specializes in custom high-speed BLDC motor and blower solutions. Our products are designed and manufactured to the highest standards for long-term usage with product life expectancy exceeding 20,000 cycles. Leader also provides a wide array of power conversion solutions to help our customers build a complete EV charging ecosystem. Our products include AC and DC charging stations, onboard chargers, portable chargers, DC to DC converters, and DC to AC inverters for 2-, 3-, and 4-wheeled electric vehicles. Our safety lab is accredited with UL CTDP and CBCTF. With state-of-the-art equipment, anechoic chambers, and automated reliability, Leader can effectively shorten the product development cycle. With streamlined processes refined over half a century, Leader is dedicated to providing world-class, high-quality products and services to our clients in a sustainable manner. In our interconnected world, Leader Electronics is your trustworthy energy solutions partner.